in this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to continue recording draft video on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. You have to click on this plus mark. Now you have to make any video. Stop this and click on this red mark. Now click on next and click on draft. Your video will be saved in your draft. Now come to the profile and click on this draft video. Click on this and you have to click on this arrow which is present at the top. Here you can see continue recording. Click on this button and your video will click on this thread mark and click on next. Now you can post this video that was in draft and you have to continue recording that draft video. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.